Good day everyone, I'm Dexter Crisostomo, the President of Agora Multipurpose Cooperative. It's a pleasure to introduce to all of you our cooperative that aims to uplift the lives of the people here in our barangay. Bilang Presidente, gusto ko pong ipakita kung paano po nagkakaisa ang mga tao dito para sa isang layunin, pag-asenso ng bawat isa. As the President, my main responsibility is to lead and guide our programs that help our members, especially the small business owners, tricycle drivers, and market vendors in our area. We want to create more opportunities and make a little easier for everyone. Dito po sa cooperative, hindi lang tulong pinansyal ang ibinibigay namin, kundi inspirasyon at suporta na rin. Barangay Agora, located in Nabotas City, is known for its hardworking and resilient people. Marami sa mga residente dito ay nagsusumikap araw-araw. May mga nagtitinda sa palengke, may mga driver, at may mga maliliit na negosyo. That's why we decided to establish a cooperative, a place where everyone can help each other grow, improve their livelihood, and build a stronger community. The Agora Multipurpose Cooperative stand for cooperation, trust, and compassion. We believe that progress only happens when people work together. At naniniwala po kami na lahat ng maliliit na tulong kapag pinagsama-sama ay malaking pagbabago na madadala dito sa ating community. Our cooperative is called Agora Multipurpose Cooperative, named after place where unity and hard work truly come alive. This is a multipurpose cooperative, which means we offer different services to our members, such as microloans for small business, affordable products through our community store, and livelihood programs that teach new skills. Layunin namin tulungan ang bawat member na magkakaroon ng mas maayos na kabuhayan at mas magandang kinabukasan. Our cooperative is based here in Barangay Agora, Nabotas City, serving as a support system for people within our community. The Agora Multipurpose Cooperative was established on January 25, 2025 as a part of our mission to help strengthen the livelihood and unity among residents. Our logo symbolizes unity, progress, and community growth, a reminder that when people work hand in hand, success is possible for everyone. In Agora Multipurpose Cooperative, we believe that our team builds success. Sama-sama nating itaguyod ang ating mga barangay at palaguin ang kabuhayan ng bawat isa. Once again, I'm Dexter Crisostomo, your cooperative president, inviting everyone to join us and be part of growing movement for change. Tulong sa kabuhayan, asenso para sa bayan.